Top 10 predictions for the global economy in 2024. In 2024, the global economy is expected to experience moderate growth, with advanced economies remaining resilient and emerging markets leading higher growth rates. Inflation and interest rates will likely stay elevated, impacting borrowing and investment. Technological advancements, especially in AI and green energy, are set to drive productivity and create new business opportunities. Geopolitical tensions and trade uncertainties may affect global trade and economic stability. Additionally, a strong focus on sustainability and climate action will influence economic policies and investment trends, shaping sectors like renewable energy and green technology. Number 10. Moderate global economic growth. The global economy in 2024 is projected to exhibit moderate growth, continuing its recovery from the previous economic disruptions. Advanced economies like the United States, the European Union, and Japan are expected to see stable economic expansion, driven by resilient consumer spending, steady industrial production, and ongoing technological innovation. In contrast, emerging markets, particularly in Asia and Africa, are likely to experience more dynamic growth, bolstered by increased investment in infrastructure, technology, and consumer markets. Global GDP growth is anticipated to be in the range of 3–4%, reflecting a steady but cautious rebound. However, growth may be uneven due to varying recovery speeds across regions, geopolitical tensions, and the potential for economic policy changes. Number 9. Continued inflationary pressures. Inflation is expected to remain a prominent concern in 2024, with varying impacts across different regions. In advanced economies, inflationary pressures are likely to persist due to ongoing supply chain disruptions, elevated energy prices, and wage increases. Central banks in these regions will need to navigate a complex landscape, adjusting interest rates and implementing monetary policies to manage inflation without stifling economic growth. In emerging markets, inflation may be influenced by currency fluctuations, commodity prices, and local economic conditions, leading to more volatility. Governments and policymakers will focus on strategies to address cost of living challenges while striving to maintain economic stability. Number 8. Acceleration of green transition. The transition to a greener economy is set to gain momentum in 2024, driven by substantial investments in renewable energy, electric vehicles, EVs, and sustainable technologies. Governments around the world are expected to strengthen their commitments to reducing carbon emissions, supported by policies such as carbon pricing, renewable energy mandates, and green subsidies. This shift will be accompanied by increased adoption of clean technologies, including solar and wind energy, battery storage, and energy-efficient solutions. Private sector investments in green innovations and sustainability initiatives will also rise, with companies seeking to enhance their environmental, social, and governance (ESG) profiles. As a result, the renewable energy sector is likely to see accelerated growth, and new opportunities will emerge in areas such as green infrastructure and circular economy practices. Number 7. Technological advancements and digital transformation. In 2024 will see continued acceleration in technological advancements and digital transformation across various sectors. Innovations in artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and automation are expected to drive significant changes in industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and finance. The adoption of 5G technology will further enhance connectivity and enable the growth of smart cities and Internet of Things (IoT) applications. The financial sector will experience advancements in fintech, including blockchain technology, digital currencies, and advanced data analytics. Businesses will increasingly leverage digital tools to optimize operations, enhance customer experiences, and create new revenue streams. However, the rapid pace of technological change will also pose challenges related to cybersecurity, data privacy, and workforce adaptation. Number 6. Shifts in global trade dynamics. Global trade dynamics are anticipated to shift in 2024, influenced by evolving geopolitical landscapes, trade policies, and supply chain realignments. Trade tensions and geopolitical uncertainties may lead to shifts in trade alliances and supply chain strategies, with countries diversifying their trade partners and seeking greater economic resilience. The reconfiguration of supply chains, driven by factors such as geopolitical risks and pandemic-related disruptions, will impact global trade flows. Regional trade agreements and initiatives aimed at reducing trade barriers and enhancing economic cooperation will play a crucial role in shaping trade patterns. Additionally, the focus on nearshoring and reshoring strategies will influence trade dynamics as businesses seek to reduce dependency on distant suppliers and mitigate supply chain risks. Number 5. Rise of health and wellness economy. The health and wellness economy is expected to continue its upward trajectory in 2024, driven by increasing consumer focus on health, fitness, and well-being. The COVID-19 pandemic has heightened awareness of health-related issues, leading to sustained demand for health and wellness products and services. Investments in healthcare innovation, including telemedicine, mental health solutions, and personalized medicine, will be prominent. The fitness and nutrition sectors will see growth in demand for wellness technologies, wearable devices, and health-focused consumer products. Governments and businesses will continue to prioritize public health initiatives and workplace wellness programs, contributing to the expansion of the health and wellness economy. Number 4. Geopolitical tensions and economic impact. Geopolitical tensions and conflicts are expected to have significant economic impacts in 2024. Ongoing disputes, trade wars, and regional conflicts could disrupt global supply chains, affect investor confidence, and impact economic stability. Key areas of concern include tensions between major economies, territorial disputes, and instability in resource-rich regions. These geopolitical risks may lead to fluctuations in commodity prices, changes in trade policies, and shifts in investment patterns. Businesses and investors will need to navigate these uncertainties, assessing risks and adapting strategies to mitigate potential economic impacts. The geopolitical landscape will remain a critical factor in shaping global economic trends and influencing market dynamics. Number 3. Changes in workforce dynamics. The dynamics of the global workforce are expected to undergo significant changes in 2024, influenced by trends such as remote work, automation, and shifting labor market demands. Remote and hybrid work models, which gained prominence during the pandemic, are likely to continue evolving as businesses and employees adapt to new ways of working. Automation and AI technologies will increasingly impact job roles, leading to shifts in workforce requirements and the need for reskilling and upskilling initiatives. The gig economy and freelance work will also continue to grow, offering new opportunities and challenges for workers and employers. Governments and organizations will need to address workforce transitions and invest in training and education to ensure a smooth adaptation to these changes. Number 2. Focus on sustainability and corporate responsibility. Sustainability and corporate responsibility will remain central themes in 2024 as businesses and consumers increasingly prioritize environmental and social considerations. Companies will face growing pressure to demonstrate their commitment to sustainability through transparent practices, responsible sourcing, and ethical business operations. The rise of ESG, environmental, social, and governance criteria will influence investment decisions, with investors seeking companies that align with their values and sustainability goals. Corporate social responsibility, CSR, initiatives will become more prominent, with businesses engaging in activities that contribute to societal well-being and environmental protection. This focus on sustainability will drive innovation, shape consumer preferences, and impact corporate strategies across various industries. Number 1. Adapting to climate change challenges. Adapting to climate change challenges will be a major focus for governments, businesses, and communities in 2024. As the effects of climate change become more pronounced, there will be increased emphasis on resilience and adaptation strategies. This includes investing in infrastructure to withstand extreme weather events, developing climate-smart agricultural practices, and implementing disaster preparedness measures. The transition to a low-carbon economy will drive investments in renewable energy, energy efficiency, and sustainable practices. Policy frameworks and international agreements will play a crucial role in guiding climate action and supporting adaptation efforts. The economic impact of climate change will necessitate collaborative efforts to address environmental risks and ensure long-term sustainability.